mind if I put the work in? Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. 'Cause I don't want.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riri from Texas. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply setting powder after you've already applied your concealer. If you want to know how to apply concealer, make sure you check out the video in the description where I show you how to apply concealer. My concealer is already applied. I am going to just go back in with my brush just to make sure I don't have any creases before I start applying that powder. Because if you have creasing, that powder will set right in your creasing, and you know, hello, welcome your creasing. And creasing is not cute, honey. So I'm going back in to just press that in to make sure that we all good up under there. Okay. So I'm going to go on with my beauty sponge from Sephora. I did use this as well to apply my concealer. So that's what you see. That's what residue you see on there is concealer. It's already damp. It's perfectly fine to use the same sponge that you use to apply your concealer to apply your powder, setting powder. I am going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I was trying to show you guys the thing. I'm going to put an even amount. This is kind of a lot, but I like to start here and go all the way across. So again, like I said, you need to look. Let's make sure there's no creasing. Make sure it's even on your brush, because however it looks on your sponge is going to come across on your face like that. I like to press mine in and then just take it across. And get on up under my, as close as I can to my water line. Okay, y'all, I am here for this. Now I'm putting a little over the powder limit. Y'all don't have to put this much. 2 good pressing ends will be good. But my face gets so oily, and I did not put like a matte primer on today or something to help with the oil. So I am relying on this powder. Go back in and press that on in. So I'm definitely relying on this powder. You have to be careful with the powder too though, because it can get pretty cakey. So you just need to look and see if you can do an additional, and if you cannot, do not. If it's already looking cakey, yeah, let's leave it alone. Because you got to remember at the end of the look, you want to set with a light powder at the end as well, pressed powder, so you need to leave some room for that as well. Okay, so I also have concealer here, 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 and up here. So I'm going to set those places as well. And just a rule of thumb for me, I always start at the bottom and work my way up. That's just, I think I've always really done that, so. Okay, so I'm just get on up in my forehead, press it all the way in, really, really good. Do not leave any harsh lines with powder because it will set how you set it. So I'm pushing it all in. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to take my Real Techniques buffing, I'm tongue-tied today, y'all. My Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just going to buff it on out. So I like to use circular motions. When I get up in here, I'm just take that on down the bridge of my nose to get it on up. But definitely circular motions around the edges to blend it all in. Then I could just go in and press the rest of it in. Press it There we go. Alright guys, so this video was strictly just showing you how I apply my setting powder to my concealer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos from your girl with makeup tips and makeup looks, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. It's your girl, Riri from Texas, and I'm signing off.